Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am doing a White Fox boutique haul. I am so excited to do this White Fox boutique haul. Their stuff, I don't want to give you too much, but stunning. I do actually have a discount code for White Fox Boutique, which I will pop on screen now for you. If you've never shopped on White Fox Boutique before, hopefully this gives you some sort of indication to do so. They literally stock so much, from like nice going out dresses, like birthday stuff, cords, basic t-shirts, tracksuits, White Fox Boutique activewear. They've got White Fox Boutique swimwear. Honestly, White Fox Boutique have so much on their site. Another great thing is they do offer Afterpay, which is available for the USA, Australia and New Zealand. What a slay. They do also offer express worldwide shipping, and this shipping is actually really quick. I ordered something myself the other day and it came so quick, and I'm in the UK, so if you was wondering if their quality is good, their fit, what they've got going on, keep on watching. Hello my YouTube family, I have missed you so much, and you may be thinking, Chyna, you're such a liar, you ditched us. I've been busy, right? I've been busy, I've been worked. I can't promise I'm going to be regular on here, I honestly cannot, because I just hate editing. Why is it so long? I don't like to listen to my voice. I don't like how much I ramble, so I have to cut out so much. I don't like how I just am annoying, okay? I don't like it. It takes so long. Like, I don't mind editing a TikTok because it's like a short amount of time, but just editing on YouTube is just I hate it. And then look, can I just say, I looked at paying for an editor. I know that makes me sound so stush, but I'm lazy, okay? They wanted £1,500 per month. That could pay rent. That could pay rent in an apartment, so I won't be doing that. I cannot wait to show you. I have this massive box with so many White Fox goodies in, so let's just get straight into it. Let's dive in. I love this so much. I'm going to be saying that the whole time. Not see-through. Quality is stunning. The fit is stunning. I was waiting so long on White Fox for this to be restocked because everyone clearly wanted it. Everyone clearly had the same vision as me. This colour is just unreal, so grab it while you can. Also, I think I have a discount code. I'm not 100% sure what it is. I actually have two for Instagram and TikTok, so you can use either or. Chyna TikTok or just Chyna. It does have like little dots on it. I don't know if you can see the little dots. Also, I've got glitter all over me. I tried on this glittery dress earlier. God, my floor covered in glitter. My feet, oh my god, if I could show you my feet right now, the whole soles of my feet are glittery. This is not good. You can wear this on the shoulder. We can wear it off. I like to go off because things are always better off, hey? I shouldn't have said that. Anyways, and then I grabbed it in white because it's me, you know? White is just easier to style, you know? You can add pops of colour here and there, although that pink with like a yellow bag, I would definitely wear this to like a festival, cowboy boots, that type of vibe. You can even wear black boots, you know? Colour clash if you want. But I could add so much colour. I could add all these trainers, all these shoesies on my feet because it's white. And just everyone needs white. It's not see-through. It does have this little cinching thing here as well to cinch her in. And then it just holds the girls just stunningly. Who needs a bra? Not me, actually. Not me. I feel like White Fox is just known for this teeny tiny stretchy material. You know when you get it out of the package and it literally looks like a Polly Pocket? That's how this looks, but now it's on me. Which I'm definitely not a Polly Pocket. This is so nice. Look at all these gems. Not one has fallen off, and I've tried this on a fair few times. Look how much stretch as well. Them diamantes, so beautiful. This here, giving sexy. It's giving sexy. Anyway, that's just so flattering. This is so amazing. I'm not sure if this is like a one size piece, but if it is, it's definitely going to fit so many different sizes because it's so stretchy. This is so lovely. They've got this in a few colours as well. Imagine this in pink. They probably did have pink. Let's try on some top. I've just popped on some White Fox joggers, which I will show you in a bit. This is so nice. I need so many more White Fox t-shirts. Why are they so nice? But the fit of that is giving like boyfriend vibes, you know, the drop shoulder, which is my absolute favourite. The quality of this on here, if you can see, if I come a bit closer, there we go. Like the print on there, it's printed on so well, and I love the blue because then you can play on it. I could wear, I still need something short. You could wear these blue dunks. I need some like baby blue cycling shorts with this, or some grey. Do White Fox do cycling shorts that match this grey? Because if they do, You're actually gonna save my life. It is super oversized, so you can probably like, you know, tuck it, you can crop it, do what you want. With a pair of jeans as well, this would look so nice. I had to try a baby tee from White Fox because if you hear the word White Fox, people mention tracksuits and baby tees. So I had to try one out. This is so cute, this little cherry top. I do wish it was like slightly more, but that's just a preference. I could just ruffle it up. This is so nice. I love the length on the sleeves as well. I'm really insecure about my arms being out, so I'm glad like that much is covered because that's kind of the part that I don't like. I don't mind this part, but this part I don't like. Such nice quality, not see-through. This is printed on so well. I'm really excited to see how this washes as well because sometimes these type of tops wash funny, but that feels really imprinted on. I'm super excited about this. But yeah, I really want some more baby tees from them because everyone talks about baby tees. I need a baby tee. Tee. I think I've got these long sleeve t-shirts in here. I haven't actually tried everything on. Oh, here we go. Everyone talks about these. Get that on me right now. I see the hype. Oh my goodness. It is a lot longer, but I have kind of just ruffled it just because that's how I see everyone else wear it and they look really cute. The quality of this, I wanted a top this kind of colour, like basically my skin tone, because I just think they look so good with like joggers, like right now what I've got on, joggers, beige joggers like this. And I just think it's just so simple. It's so simple, but just wow, the quality. I honestly see why everyone talks about these. I really would like to get this in black and white just because they are just staples, and I'd be excited to see the white as well, especially because this colour's not see-through, which is really hard to do. I've also found the other t-shirt that I was talking about earlier that I want to try on, so let's try her on. I absolutely love acid wash, and this print is super cool. I think this would look really nice with like some boots and cycling shorts again. I really love oversized t-shirts at the moment. I don't know what it is, and this would definitely fit as a t-shirt dress. That's like a really good length for me. Obviously I would wear shorts under just because, you know, sticks out a bit. I'm super pleased with all these t-shirts. I really need to look at more t-shirts. Guys, White Fox is so good. It can't cope. And this is the print on this, in case you can see it. I don't know what to try on next. I think we're just going to keep with the tops just while I've got these joggers on because, you know me, she lazy. She lazy girl. Now this top, I was so excited. I literally ran to the checkout when I saw this because I can just see a vision with this top so much. This is it up close. Let me try shining the light. There we go. It's like this kind of faux leather, more matte, slightly like acid wash grey corset. I was thinking of doing like sleek back hair with two like plaits hanging down, cross earrings, cross necklace, body glow, some cool cargos. That would be a really cool outfit. Or you could even do skirt and boots. Oh my god. The fit of this corset is so nice. They did have this in brown, which I got the strappy top version. Just so I could show you both colours, plus I wanted it. I really wanted it, you know? I wanted it. How cute. Imagine this as that. I think I'm definitely going to have to pick up the brown in this. Or is that too much? Like, I've got this. But yeah, the fit of this has got underwiring on it. You don't need a bra. It's got them little jelly things just so it sticks. And it's just so flattering and so comfortable. Like, I don't feel like, can't breathe. But I can breathe. I'm so excited to try this one on. I haven't tried this one on, so I don't know the fit of this. But I'm beyond excited. I'm going to film a TikTok in this because it's just a need. She's a need. This actually has adjustable straps, which I haven't done up yet, but I probably will when I actually wear it. But even though I haven't done the adjustable straps, it fits so lovely. It doesn't have them jelly things, but whatever this is up here, it's kind of like a thicker bit of material is keeping it up. This is also lightly boned. It's not like super restrictive. And the fit of that, anything like that is going to just cinch you in. I love this brown as well. Out of the two, I probably prefer the grey just because like the grey is just easier to style. However, I'm excited to see how I could probably style this. I think with like maybe a skirt. If I had like a brown skirt, maybe even like a white skirt. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But it's the same like kind of demi matte faux leather material. It is a zip up back as well. But I'm just so happy it had adjustable straps. You don't see that often. I actually don't have my scissors on me right now to remove that, which is so annoying. And I don't want to pull that in case I break it. But this top is so nice for like dinner and drinks, date night, I think with some heels. You could do cargos or jeans, but I would do jeans with this, you know. I really like this colour. I love khaki. It does have some thumb holes as well. It's the same material that comes super small and then stretches out. So stretchy. Doesn't feel restrictive in the slightest. Sorry, I know that's so annoying, but I literally don't know where my scissors have gone. I had them earlier, I've lost them. But this is super cute. Guys, I'm running out of things to say. I don't have a very broad vocabby. While we're here and we've got the tracksuit on, let me just put the full tracksuit on. That's the back, by the way. They're kind of known for their like back prints. I'm so hungry. I think it's like 11. I'm starving. I haven't eaten yet. I think I'm gonna have fruit. Such a comfy and like oversized fit. Obviously I'm really small, so oversized just looks a bit funny on me. But super cute. These are the joggers, like stood far back. Really nice fit. Cuff, got the adjustable waist. Yeah, super cute. I love these. I actually saw Lucinda, a girl from Love Island, wearing a pink one of these. I now need. Let's just do a couple more items and then we'll kind of wrap up the haul there, because I have shown a lot of it on my TikTok already. I don't want to bore you if you've come over from there. Now, you would have to wear a bikini under this, so I am just covering because it is full crochet. I saw this on the site again and I was like, wow, that's so nice. So it's this little crochet top with this little dangly dangle, giving like Coachella vibes. I haven't tied the thing at the back, that's why it keeps slipping down. It does actually fit. And then this is the skirt. Hopefully you can see back here. Just got like a little frill at the bottom. But yeah, as I said, you'd need to wear like a white bikini under this just because obviously it's crochet. But I'm thinking like Coachella vibes. Cowboy boots, you know. They also do have this in black as well, which is so cute. Reminds me of something that I wore to Coachella last year. A really nice crochet material as well, really good quality. So if you're looking for any crochet pieces for like holiday festivals, I definitely have a look at White Fox, because I'm so pleasantly surprised. It's actually a joke. Right, we'll try on one more thing and then I'll leave you be. How cute would this be for like an airport fit? I'm obsessed with this. This charcoal colour is really nice as well. This isn't see-through at all. Super stretchy, double-lined material. But yeah, I think this would be really cute for the airport. Like a hat, maybe like a hoodie wrapped round. Nike socks, Uggs, trainers. This is so cute and so flattering. I'm so happy this is not see-through. I'm so happy it's not see-through. But yeah, that is the last item I have to show from my White Fox haul. Really hope I thought that was a spider crawling on me. I felt that feeling before and I was fearful for my life. Hope you enjoyed my White Fox haul. Let me know if you want any more. Make sure to use my discount code. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.